So y'all want to hear something crazy? You had Airbnb just beat market expectations. Did good. You know, once the world opened back up, people been traveling. I didn't use Airbnb a few times, but their stock is down 10% in the post market. Like, how, Sway? And what's crazy is because I was looking at different option trades to get into, and I was looking at which next earnings was coming up, and I seen Airbnb. So I read an article by a professional analyst, and he ran it in the article about how there are going to be expectations, the price would be doing good. So if somebody that didn't know no better, they would have basically put in an option trade expecting this to go up, and now going down 10%. You about to lose a lot of money. Hope nobody did that. Here go a quick video of what's basically happened. Make sure you
Mike, in first reaction, shares are down now 5%. Topped originally, but let me give you the numbers. It's a beat on the top and bottom lines. Guidance was in line. EPS coming in at $1.79 versus $1.47 expected. Revenue at $2.9 billion versus $2.84 billion. So that's a slight beat. Let's call it in line. Gross booking value also better than expected. ADR, that's average daily rate, up 5% year over year, but 12% ex currency. So that's a 7% percentage point headwind. Solid balance sheet here, nearly $1 billion in free cash flow, $1.2 billion in net income. Let me run you through the guidance because this may be what is hitting shares that are down 8% now. Did come in line in terms of that guidance. This company guided for between $1.8 billion and $1.88 billion. They said they were expecting $1.85 billion in line. Keep in mind, though, that their Q4 of last year was right in between Delta and Omicron in terms of the pandemic viruses. So there was a bigger boost last year that the company is expecting to come down to slightly in the fourth quarter of this year. Mike, we're going to continue to dig into this and figure out why the stock is now down nearly 10%. Back over to you.
Yeah, clearly, now down almost more than 9%. Dee, thank you.